In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and simple way of constructing 5 different types of 7th chord on any note on a piano keyboard. I'm assuming that you know how to construct a simple triad, which is a 3-note chord such as C major, C, E and G. If not, there's a link below to another video that I made showing you how to construct triads in the key of C major. In this chord, we refer to C as the root note, E as the 3rd because it is 3 letter names above C, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, and G as the 5th because it is 5 letter names above C. Now, in the key of C major, if we then add a note which is 7 letter names above C, we get this chord, C major 7. Now, if you understand musical intervals, you'll know that the interval between the root and the 3rd, C to E, is a major 3rd, the root and the 5th is a perfect 5th, and C to B, the root to the 7th, is a major 7th. If you don't understand intervals and you would like to, there's another link below to another video that I made about musical intervals. But if you're not really interested in that, you just want to know a quick way of building the chord, and simply count the semitones from the root to the 3rd. So C to E is 4 semitones. C to C sharp is 1, to D is 2, to D sharp 3, to E is 4. From the 3rd to the 5th, you then count just 3 semitones. So E to G is 3 semitones. And finally, from the 5th to the 7th, in a major 7th, you count a further 4 semitones. So try to remember that formula. 4 semitones plus 3 semitones plus 4 semitones, 4, 3, 4, and you can use that formula to construct a major 7th chord on any note on the piano. Now, having built the major 7ths, you can then convert that into this chord by dropping the top note 1 semitone. So B becomes B flat, and we get this chord, C7. Its full name is C dominant 7, but it should usually just referred to as C7. If we then take that chord and lower the 3rd, so the E becomes E flat, we get this chord, C minor 7. Sometimes that's notated with a minus sign after the letter C and then a number 7. If we then take the 5th of the chord, G, and drop that by a semitone, we get this chord. Now this is known as a C half diminished 7, notated after the letter C with a circle with a forward slash and then a number 7. Often it's also referred to as a C minor 7 with a flattened 5th. And if you look at the chord, it's easy to see why, because we've taken a C minor 7 chord and lowered the 5th by 1 semitone. If we then take the top note B, it's the B flat rather, and lower that a further semitone, we get this chord, which is a C diminished 7. Notice, by the way, that the top note is spelled as B double flat, and it's notated with a circle after the letter followed by the number 7. Sometimes it can be just an abbreviation of diminished, so just C dim 7. I hope you found that useful. If you did, then please press like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.